Have you ever tried to look someone up online only to get lost in a sea of random social media profiles, outdated directories, and sketchy websites? In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily find anyone online using a powerful AI tool called DeepSearch. DeepSearch is an AI people search app designed to scan the open web and build a clean, well-sourced profile of someone's public online presence. Whether you're trying to reconnect with an old classmate, verify a new online acquaintance, or protect yourself from potential scams, this tool pulls scattered details from across the web into one clear page. Here is how you use it in 3 simple steps. First, head over to deepsearch.app. Right on the homepage, you'll see a search bar. You can search using whatever details you have, whether that's a full name, a username, a phone number, or an email address. Second, once you hit search, DeepSearch will scan the open web and present you with the most likely matches, complete with a confidence score to help you make sure you're picking the right person. Third, once you select the match, you get to see the full picture. DeepSearch organizes their public social profiles, cities lived in, work and education history, publicly listed relatives, and web mentions. But here is the coolest part. It features an interactive AI assistant. This means you can actually ask the AI specific questions about the person's public profile to get instant, summarized answers. Every key detail also comes with a direct source link, so you can easily verify where the information came from. Now, to keep things completely honest, because this is a specialized tool, there are currently limited independent user reviews available online to compare. Since we don't have a massive library of third-party feedback yet, the best way to see how well it works for your specific needs is to head over to the website and try a search yourself. Keep in mind, DeepSearch only accesses 100% public web information, so it won't reveal private or unlisted data. If you want to save hours of manual Googling and get a clear AI-synthesized summary of someone's public footprint, check out deepsearch.app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and let me know in the comments how DeepSearch worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.